In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sennheiser HD 350BT. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to easily set up and use your Sennheiser 350BT on any device that supports Bluetooth. You will be able to connect them and use them completely wirelessly. As long as they are sufficiently charged, you won't have any issues using them natively. So first, power them on, and you will have to put them into pairing mode. Ensure that Bluetooth is enabled on your device. So on your PC, laptop, or your phone, go over to the Bluetooth settings and double check to see if Bluetooth is enabled. Once you enable it, you will be able to press a specific button on your HD 350BT located here. So when you press and hold this button for a few seconds, you will usually hear a voice prompt or the LED indicator is going to start flashing. Now that the device is in pairing mode, you will be able to find it under the list of available devices on any platform. So go back to the list of available devices on your PC, laptop, or your phone and choose the Sennheiser HD 350BT from the list. Immediately upon doing so, they will pair themselves up with the device, and every single subsequent time in the future that you turn them on, they will automatically pair themselves up. Now, all of the audio being output through the device will go over to the HD 350BT. The process is exactly the same for any other Sennheiser model that you have, so you just have to press a specific button or do some sort of combination to make sure that the headset goes into pairing mode. And once the headset or the headphones are in pairing mode, just choose it from under the list of available Bluetooth devices. If this doesn't work, I recommend restarting Bluetooth on your device. Make sure that the Sennheisers are sufficiently charged, and as long as you choose them from the list, they should pair themselves up without any issues. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sennheiser HD 350BT. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.